lipped spigots. So the difference between the lipped spigot and our standard spigot is that these spigots have a 6mm rolled lip around the outside. So that makes them 6mm shorter than our standard spigot. And the reason this lip is rolled on is so that you can use these with quick connect clamp type systems. So for example, you'll get a spigot or a pipe, you put a gasket on it like this. You can then put the spigot over the top and use a quick connect clamp to connect it. So the clamp just goes over the outside of the gasket, snaps in place, and that's all secured. They're also easy to disassemble. So same thing in reverse, you just have to take the clamp off, pull it off the outside, and the spigot can come away. So it makes cleaning and assembling your pipe work a lot easier having a system like this.
Thanks for watching, everyone. And if you have any further technical questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.